Hello guys, I'm Andy Trickshot Taylor and I'll be your Nunchaku instructor today. Today we are here to learn this neat little redirect move. And please do remember, the whole video is time-stamped in the description below. If you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. My channel is open every day with slow-mo videos. Please do take advantage of them because I will stop doing them at the end of 2020 and go back to weekly videos. So please do be on the lookout for those amazing slow-mo combos which you can learn every single day to challenge your body and your mind. And please enjoy the tutorial. First of all, we need to get this in between the leg bounce, okay? But it's very important, okay, that you follow through with this, okay? And you push this stick past your private parts. That's going to cause this to bounce on the back of your bum, like this. From there, if you notice, this goes to fling forward, yes? After it's bounced. That's because it's redirecting. The whole part of this combo is putting lots and lots of different redirects together. So we're redirecting this here. So we're going to come into this propeller spin. But what you need to do, okay, is you need to have your wrist about 20 to 25 centimeters away from your chest, okay? What you're going to do is when you bounce this and you bring this up for this spin, you want to stall here almost around your hands like this, do you see? So we go for this in between the leg bounce and we bring this up into a propeller spin and we stall this around the hand. The reason why we stall it is because if you don't, okay, I'm going to try and block this, yeah, you're going to hit yourself in the nose, you're going to hit yourself in the eye, and you're just going to beat the shit out your face, and we really don't want that, do we? So that's why we need to add this stall. Once we've added this stall, we're going to push through and make sure this lands on top of our wrist like this. So I'm going to actually show you this in slow-mo, the full motion, because it could be pretty confusing for you to actually see what's going on. Right, so we're here now. If you notice how the rope is on the outside of my hand, next of all, you need to make sure that this rope is near enough straight like this on your wrist and it's not flopping, this stick ain't flopping down on that side. You need to make sure it's reasonably straight. Now I want you to straighten your hand out so your fingers are pointing at the wall. Next of all, what you're then going to do is you're going to shoot it in this direction, but then you're going to turn your fingers in towards your hip. Do you see how these fingers here are pointing at my hip? Then I'm going to bring this in towards my shoulder. Do you see how I've got this big gap here now? And I'm going to fling the chucks back round, okay? So this is pretty difficult in itself because it involves that exact timing and direction with your wrist. So I'm going to show you the full move in slow motion now. So hopefully it'll break it down, all those little nuances which you might be missing. So, I hope this video helps you out. Please do feel free to ask me any questions about this move or any other moves that are on my channel. If you've got any moves you'd like to request me to do, if I do them, I'll happily show you how they're done. Yeah, have an amazing day guys, and I will see you next week.